Welcome to this tutorial where I'll show you how to paper trade futures using TradingView. If you're looking to practice trading without risking real capital, this is a perfect tool for you. Paper trading allows you to practice trading without using real money. Instead of risking your hard-earned cash, you're using virtual funds to simulate real trades in the market. This way, you can experience how the trades unfold in real time without the stress of actual financial losses. Paper trading is an excellent way to refine your futures trading strategies. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, it gives you the chance to test different approaches and build confidence, all while getting a feel for market movements. First, you'll need a TradingView account. If you don't have one, head over to tradingview.com and sign up. You can start with a free account, but a paid plan might offer better features for futures trading, such as faster data and access to advanced chart types. Once you have opened up an account and subscribed to a TradingView plan, you will need to purchase a market data subscription. If you do not do this, you will find that the price quotes on futures will be delayed by 10 minutes. To subscribe, head over to your profile icon and select Accounts and Billing. This will take you to a new page. Scroll down until you see Get Real-Time Data. Click this button and look for the CME group. E-mini included futures. Click the checkbox, select Next, and then proceed to Payment Details by clicking on the Next button. If you have subscribed to market data correctly, in the top left-hand side, you will see a green signal displayed, notifying you that you have live data. If you see an amber signal, it means that your data may still be delayed. Once you're logged in, you'll see the TradingView dashboard. Let me guide you through the main sections. On the left-hand side, you will find all your charting tools. On the right-hand side, your watch list to monitor the markets. And at the bottom, you will find the trading panel, which is crucial for paper trading. Now let's set up paper trading. To enable this, go down to the paper trading panel at the bottom of your screen and select paper trading. Click on Connect. Once connected, TradingView provides you with virtual funds to trade with. Here, you can create new accounts, name them, and define your starting balance. Once you click on Create, you will find that you have your account created over here to start paper trading. To configure some trade settings related to paper trading, you want to click here and navigate to Trade Settings. Here, you will want to include the buy and sell buttons. You will also want to have instant order placements. Under the positions, you can select to show your position in either money, ticks, or percentage. Removing execution labels prevents all your previous trades from being displayed on your chart with arrow markers. To start trading futures, you need to find the futures market you want to practice with. In the search bar, type in the futures contract, such as NQ. Select it. This opens up the chart for NQ. The easiest way to get into a trade would be by using the buy and sell buttons at the top left-hand corner of the screen. The number in the middle represents the quantity, the number of contracts you wish to trade. If you want to change this quantity, click the box. You could manually set the quantity you want by using your keyboard, or you could use the plus and minus buttons to adjust your quantity. Now, if I wanted to go short, I'd use the sell button. And if I wanted to go long, I'd use the buy button. I'm now going to enter a short position of quantity 3 contracts. The position will now show up on my screen. -3 represents the amount of contracts short, and the P&L displays here in the middle. Now, if I wanted to remove this position or scale out of it, I could do it by using the buy button. However, if I only wanted to scale out of one contract, I adjust my quantity and select buy. And you can see my quantity now went from -3 to -2. If you wanted to close out the entirety of the position, you could also use the close button over here shown on the right-hand side of the P&L indicator. and that closes a position. Let's say we wanted to enter a position long at market, quantity 2, with a take profit of 60 ticks, which is 15 points. Remember, 60 ticks divided by 4, give you 15 points, and a stop loss of 20 ticks, which is 5 points. You click on buy, and on your screen, you automatically get your open position together with your stop loss and your take profit predefined. Another way to enter the market would be by setting limit orders on the chart. If you right click any position on the chart, you'll see a trade tab. If you go to trade, you can now set a limit order. Sell 2NQ at 20,087 limit. 2, the quantity 2 is set because it's reflective of the quantity here. So now I have a limit order to go short. Should the market come into 20,087, I will be filled short. If I wanted to adjust this order, I could also drag it up or down on the screen. If I wanted to modify the quantity, all I have to do is click on the quantity and it takes me to the order entry. Here, I can change to the quantity 1 and modify the order. It's important to note that if you want to trade the market short, your cursor needs to be above where price is trading at. So it's trade, sell 2, limit. If I wanted to go long, I would have to go underneath where price is trading, right click, trade, and I would get buy 2 at 20,040 limit. So depending where your cursor is, it depends what type of order you can enter. So for going short, you need to be above where price is trading at. And for going long, you need to be below where price is trading at. In Quantified Ante, it's not uncommon that we use the buy and sell buttons to enter the market at market price. However, before we do that, we want to ensure that we have a stop loss placed on our charts before we enter the market. So in this example, I'm going to demonstrate it by going long. I'm going to set my stop loss in a blank area of the chart, which is far away from where price is trading at, sort of down here. I click on trade and I want to set my order to sell 2NQ stop. I already have my stop loss in place. Say I wanted to enter the market long now. I click on my button and now I already have my stop loss set in place, which means I can quickly drag this up to where I want my stop loss to be reflected. If I now wanted to set a take profit, I can now click above my chart, trade, sell 2 at limit, and now I can set my take profit wherever I want on the chart. So now we have a long position of quantity 2 with a sell limit at 2083 for take profit and a stop loss at 206875. Another way to manage a position on paper trading is, let's say I want to take the market long here. I click on buy and I hover over my position where it says TP. I can click and drag to set my take profits, and on stop loss, I can click and drag to set my stop loss. However, this feature is only available to paper trading on TradingView. Once we connect our prop firms and funded accounts to TradingView, this will not be available. Once your trade is placed, you can also monitor it under the Positions tab in the Trading panel. You can close out an active position by using the Close button, or monitor all the positions that you have open. Under Orders, you can also see all the orders you've placed, all the orders that haven't been filled under the working orders, and you can also see a history of all the trades you have taken. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to make the most out of your paper trading experience. Trade like it's real money. Treat paper trading seriously to build good habits. Experiment with strategies. Test different strategies without the pressure of losing money. And thirdly, review and adjust. Always review your trades and adjust your approach if necessary. And that's how you use TradingView for paper trading futures. Start practicing your strategies today before diving into the real markets.